In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a custom style profile in Artistly AI. One of the best ways to create consistent AI images is by using the custom consistent character feature as part of your style profile workflow. First, generate or upload a character that already has the look you want. Make sure the face, hairstyle, clothing, and overall style are clean and consistent before saving it. Next, use the consistent character feature inside Artistly AI and save that setup as your custom style profile. Give it a clear name so you can quickly reuse it later. The biggest advantage is consistency. You can place the same character into different scenes, poses, backgrounds, and lighting setups while keeping the overall appearance much more stable. This is especially useful for YouTube content, storybooks, comics, branding, social media posts, and client projects where matching visuals are important. For even better results, keep your prompts similar each time and avoid making dramatic style changes between generations. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.